everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a couple of BeeBeeCraft's jewelry kits that they have sent me as part of their YouTube cooperation program. The first kit I got is this Panda Haul Elite 40 pieces, 5-color round adjustable rings. As you can see, everything comes in this nice box with all the information you need on the label. The packaging on this one is very nice and everything comes organized for you in small bags inside of the box. On this one you get the gemstones. They come in 5 different colors and they have flat bags. On the second one you get the rings, brown, rust, silver, rose gold, and gold. You can adjust the size of the rings from the back, and all you need to do is put a small glue dot and glue the gemstone on top. This set gives you so many combinations. The second kit I got is the BeeBeeCraft set of 10 antique silver rings. The packaging is very similar, everything is well organized and ready for you. This is a larger, very stylish silver ring. You can personalize it as you like, and you can adjust the size on the back as well. It comes with the oval crystals to seal the design on top. The third kit I got is the Sonic Glue Do-It-Yourself set of 3 braided leather bracelets. The clasp on this is amazing for people with long nails like mine. These are very nice and I really like the style. They are more of an everyday wear and are very comfortable to use. You can also fully customize the design on the face of it, and it comes with the round crystals to seal it as well. The last kit I got, and this is the one I was more excited about, is the Sonic Glue Do-It-Yourself set of 5 solar system bracelets in color antique bronze. This kit has everything you need, including the tools. It is absolutely stunning and you can create so many different versions of these bracelets. I actually wanted to customize an anklet with this and it turned out beautiful. You get your connector rings, crystal rounds that go over the pre-made designs, the pieces where your designs go, and you also get a nice selections of charms with that, hearts, stars, flowers. You also get a nice bigger charm to use at the closing change of your bracelets that says just for you. I think this is a very cute detail. And you get regular lobster clasps. I do want to say a huge thank you to BeeBeeCraft for sending this to me through the YouTube program. If you go to their website, which is linked below, you can see it right there. Click on it and it shows the information. You can get free products just by doing videos for them. You only need to have at least 100 subscribers. You can fill the application online and submit for them to review. If you're interested, click the link on the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!